Oh y'all, this is the elevator here at IKEA in Merriam, Kansas. And this is a MEI elevator, start 2014. And what you saw through that door, that was that other elevator that I filmed a while ago. So this time we're doing this one that goes up to the showroom, so enjoy. For maintenance, and it's broken. Oh y'all, and here's the weird thing about the COP once we get in. There it is y'all, kind of like the Tall Towers. And the COP's on this side now. Let's see if I can hear the motor really well. Here we go. On motor time, here we go. You can hear all the motor on the opposite there. Here it is, y'all. Cab, you know, it's pretty nice. The COP is a little different from the other elevators. It has on this side instead of like normally in front of here, if you want to know. There are some elevators that can have that, as y'all want to know. But yeah, that's the capacity right there. Capacity? Wow, that beats my friend's elevators and national hours. But theirs actually beat ours by like 200 points. Stand up on you. Here we go. We're watching it here this time. Don't watch the bottom might go out. This time we're going to end downstairs. It goes to the showroom and restaurant. That'll be it.